Alright, so I just came into this apartment. I'm ready to paint this whole thing. This side is already painted, but it's another apartment, another building, so I don't sound pretty happy. Well, yeah, it's not that bad, but I got my nutriments. Yeah, I love these right here. Drink some of my nutriments, get some more energy. I've been working since 3 o'clock in the morning in my apartment, doing a whole bunch of random stuff. So right now, ready to do all this stuff right here, throw out a whole bunch of crabs and start putting plaster and all this and doing a whole bunch of other stuff in here. So it's not much, I mean, it's a lot of work, but it's not much work as I usually do in other apartments. So yeah, a whole bunch of little craps everywhere. Put my radio on, listen to my rock music, and I'm gonna chill. Okay, so I finished the living room / kitchen. And we have a special guest here today. My little special guest, she's helping me clean. And I'm her boss, so I'm helping her. She's helping me, and I pay her for this. So, yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So, you like your job?
Yeah.
Tough luck, mama, tough luck. And the bathroom is already painted, which I gotta give it another coat. The whole wing is painted, which I gotta do the edgings as well. And this room is already painted. You got a lot of tools in here and stuff, which I gotta put away and toss out. So yeah, other than that, everything else is cool. Yeah. Painting the tub, and it's really strong. But me and my monkey, we already finished most of everything. My monkey's still giving little touch-ups, but it looks nice in here. After this, I gotta poly the whole floor, and it looks awesome. Yeah, poly the floor, and then I'll take a video afterwards. Well, basically I finished polishing the floor, and I already finished this side. And here goes the bathtub. I gotta come back and give it a second coat for the bathtub tomorrow. It looks brand new, see? It's awesome. Let me close the door because it's too powerful, that smell. And my monkey helped me, she did a good job. Yay, good babies. All right, there you go.
Let's go get the monkey.
I'm about to go get a little monkey. Let's go right now. Alright, so this is the apartment that I finished. See, nice and beautiful. The floors, the doors. It's really strong right now because I gave the bathtub a second hand. Look how nice and white it came out. Oh my God, it looks brand new. Beautiful, beautiful. I did everything real nice. Yeah, I got over here to the kitchen / living room. The floor came out beautiful as well, and the room came out awesome. And now I gotta do the second apartment. There's 4 apartments I gotta do. This is the first one. I gotta go do the second one right now. And it looks amazing. Yeah, it's the closets. I just sealed up that big gap that I had down there. Yeah. Me and my monkey did a great job, and it's awesome.